Here we come to the elevators at the Marriott Qinhuangdao Resort in Beidaihe, China. This is in the Qinhuangdao district wing. Look at this call button right here. Look at this. I love this call station. These were installed in 2022. I absolutely love this call station. This is a fancy hotel, I will say this. Anyway, so I'm trying to talk over the music as much as I could to avoid getting copyright, but these are some really nice elevators. Anyways, these elevators are quite busy, so if I have to wait longer, I'm gonna have to cut out the wait times. Oh, here it is. Oh, look at this lantern right here. Look at this. All right, here's this elevator car right here. Let's get inside before lots and lots of people start piling inside of this thing. Here we go. These are Kone elevators. I rode this elevator yesterday, and I saw the familiar interlock. All right, here we are at 11. I love these custom buttons. Yep, there's your interlock right there. That interlock definitely looks like a Kone. All right, let's call it go down. Yeah, sorry I had to get off, guys, because anyways, like I said, these elevators are insanely busy. All right, here's the other elevator car right here. Just exactly the same like the first one. These certainly gotta be Kone. I love these custom buttons. All right, let's head up to 11. Oh, look at that lantern right there. I gotta get a good view of that directional lantern. That is amazing. I gotta show you that directional lantern. It's chilly in this thing. All right, here we are at 11. So look at this directional lantern right here. Oh, I don't see it. Oh, it's right. Oh, it didn't ring. See if it rings. Nope, it did not. Oh, it's right here. Okay, well, I didn't realize it. See? I got a good view of that. See, look at that direction. I really absolutely love the effects on that directional lantern. Well, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and switch elevator cars. Love that directional lantern.
See? 看，念一遍。
请刷房行等待2秒。自动。
你要穿这个啊。
All right, finally we can get a cavity on this elevator car right here. It's just exactly the same as the other one. I want to get the single one across the street, right across from us. All right, let's get off. I want to get this elevator car. I want to get a good view of that directional lantern lighting up. Oh, it's right here. Look at this directional lantern. Look at this. All right, let's go back in now. These elevators are quite busy. All right, we're gonna go back down to one end. Sorry about that, guys. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video on one. These elevators are these are insanely busy. It's a painkiller for me to get a good video of these. But I think I got a good video for the most part. That's all, at least that's all what matters the most. Anyways, I love these custom buttons. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. It's like the coast is clear. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.